Hello everyone, today I will show you how you can make up to $5 a day easily for free doing simple tasks. This video will focus more on the beginners who have never ever made a real money online. I will take you through step by step in this video, okay? And before I get started, let me introduce myself. I'm Fadi, an internet marketer doing affiliate marketing to earn a living, as you can see here, okay? If you are new and you are interested in making money online stuffs, then hit the subscribe button, click at the notification bell. Whenever I upload a new video, you will get notified from YouTube. Like, share to build a community, okay? When I work out things out here, okay, as you can see here, when I work out things here and they work out for me, I create a tutorial videos to help you guys on how to go through those things, as you can see here, so that you may also get updated, okay? So as you can see here, many people are commenting and many people are viewing this video, and it is very helpful for them, okay? So with that, I don't have so much to say, so let's get into the video and let's get started in the main thing. Now that I have introduced myself, welcome into the video in which I'm going to show you exactly how you can make that amount each and every day as a beginner. If you have never ever made any dim online, this video is going to help very fast. So if I come to this website, as you can see here, this website here is very powerful. As you can see here, they are saying that where the world works, an online marketplace that connects freelancers and business owners around the world with easy to do affordable tasks, okay? They are companies or individual people paying people, okay? So you can get so many tasks in this website, as you can see here. And as you can see here, they also have affiliate program, okay? They have got freelance and earn, as you can see here. It's very simple to sign up into this website. You will just come here and click on the sign up, and when you click up on the sign up, as you can see here, they will ask you here real name for internal verification only, okay? Yeah, you will just fill up your real name here, put your email here, and when you put up your email here, come here, create a password, and when you create a password, follow the way they are showing you here. As you can see here, mix those passwords to have an uppercase, lowercase letters, to have at least numbers and some special characters, so that you may have a strong password. The same password, paste it here, and then come here, put a nickname, select your country, okay? Just come here, write your country. If you're from United States, write United States, okay? You see here. You then put your name. Come here, select your states. If you are in United States, if you are, maybe I am from Kenya, you can see if I write here, come to Kenya, and click here, they will give me an option here, okay? So in each and every country they will give you different options, but it's very easier to sign up, as you can see here. So you will either come here and sign up as an employer, okay? If you have got a task which you want some people to do for you, you will come into this website and sign up as an employer. In this case, because you want to make some money, what you're going to do is come here and just leave it the way it is. Come here, agree. If you want them to send you news, you can just come and click, okay, and then click sign up. It's very easier. I won't take you through that, so I will just come into mine and I will log in to show you exactly what you are supposed to do into this website. So I will come here. If I click on login, as you can see here, sorry, my my voice is not good today, but I will just catch up very well. Okay, as you can see here, now that I have logged in, you can see that I have earned already this. Okay, and there is no pending money. As you can see here, this is inside my inside my dashboard as a worker, as you can see here. So when you see here, now you can see that there are so many tasks which are here, which you can come and do, as you can see here, and they are very simple, and they will pay you up to this guy here is paying you 0.03 cents, as you can see here, and the task is being done with so many people. Okay, so what you will come here and do is that you can come here and choose if you want surveys or you want to do this over, but the easiest way is that come here and maybe let's say you want to do some tasks. So I will come here and look for YouTube. If I click YouTube, search on that YouTube, it will give me a result. So as you can see here, it's giving me results and tasks or the jobs which are here that I can do. So well, as you can see here, this guy is saying that YouTube watch plus like, comment and share, and then he will pay you 0.90 cents. As you can see here, this guy here is a 1 year free YouTube premium offer. You just come and click. My voice is not good, guys. It's very cold on my side. Some cold coughs. Yeah, but I will be okay. So you come here and click on that task, and when you click on that task, as you can see, it will give you more information. Excluded countries, these countries cannot do this task. So if you are from Bangladesh, India, Sri Lanka or Pakistan, this you won't be able to do this task. So if you scroll down and come here, you will see that what you're expected to do from your side. So this is the instruction. So it is saying that open the YouTube browser, Chrome for example, on your phone, okay, and change language to French. Watch this video on how to do it. Okay, if you do not know how to do or how to switch from this language to French, just watch this video, okay, and they will show you how to do it. I won't take you through that one because they are showing you already. So what you will come here, you'll just come and copy this link because it's not scalable. Copy it, you come into a new tab and then you paste it and look for this video. It will help you on how to change from French from French to English. Yeah, as you can see here, it's very easier. So, and it won't take so much time. So number 2, for this job, your YouTube display languages need to be French. So please follow the tutorial on how to change. So you have to follow all the steps here until you do everything. So what they will also require a proof of what you've done, and you will have to come and do according to how they have asked you. Then you come here and submit the proofs of the screenshots so that you will be credited. If you don't do that, you won't get credited. Okay, if you do not do that, you won't get credited. So if I come here again and search for maybe Reddit, there is only one result here, but it's like this job is not paying. You can see saying 0.0. So it means I can't do that, okay? But if you find so many offers today, it means it seems like they don't have so many offers, but they usually have so many offers, guys, because I will be creating videos around this, okay? Very soon I will show you exactly how this thing is working, because there are not so many jobs. Or if you are good, you just come here and click one of these jobs, okay, and then come here, click follow this instruction. As you can see here, they are saying you clear browser cookies first, or open the private browser windows, which is incognito. So you just come here, they're telling you to open incognito, click here, open incognito, and then come here, copy this link, okay? And when you copy this link, just you click on no more, you go and paste it there, and when you paste it there, it will open for you. Then they are telling you read that post until the end, visit any 10 posts slowly, please. You follow all this. It's very simple, okay? And it won't take you even 5 minutes to complete this task. You can manage to make at least like $1 every $2 if you're fast in a day, okay? And it depends also to which country you are, okay? And the more you are working in this website, the more you will get rated. So the more you get rated, as you can still see, I am in starter, okay? I am in starter mode. They have got badges, okay? So the higher you go, the high paying jobs you will start getting from this website. So if I come here and click here on my tasks, you can see that I had so many other tasks which I did so many, like 5 months ago. As you can see here, it was like YouTube subscribe plus turn on notification. I got paid 0.40 cents, okay? As you can see, these are jobs that I already did inside here, and I used this money. That's why I'm telling you that I know what I am doing, and I know if you sit down and you become focused, if you want to get your that $5, you can make your money and withdraw it inside your PayPal, as you can see here. So if I come here and click at my wallet and click at the transactions, and maybe I click let me say completed transactions, you can see that it's telling you I have 13 transactions which are successful, and that was like 2021. Actually, during COVID, I was very focused on this. I did all I can. I did, guys, everything which I can, and this is working, okay? And because I'm also paying some other people to do tasks for me within this website, so I usually do not withdraw money. I transfer this money inside my advertising platform within this website, and I pay other people to do for me some tasks also in this website. So I will leave the link in the description box below. So if you have watched up to this end, guys, it's very easier for you to make your first DIM online. So if you've been with me until to this end so far, thank you. And once again, make sure you like this video, and make sure you hit at the subscribe button and click at the notification bell, that whenever I upload a new video, you are going to get notified each and every time I upload a new video. So let's see each other in the next video. Have peace.